Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our discussion. Firstly, I would like to thank to Allah because of Him today we can do our discussion, and then I would like to thanks to our lecturer and also to all of the participants. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Antika Dwi Octavia. I'm going to lead our discussion today. Our topic today is, should an English teacher come from native country? Then the goal of this discussion is to find out whether should an English teacher come from native country. So we begin. Now, pay attention to this slide. A native English speaker is a person who is born into a family whose native language is English, and then he uses the English to communicate every day. Usually, an English native speaker comes from a country whose native language is English. Then I would like to invite Mrs. Adwitia. Mrs. Adwitia, time is yours.
All right, thank you, moderator. I'm Aditya Widyadari. According to this topic, that should an English teacher come from native countries? Honestly, I couldn't agree more because it's just like lots of people think that only native speakers in Japan can teach Japanese. However, in reality, I have met some friends from country with speaking language other than Japanese perform high quality or some ability in Japanese. That all depends on teacher skills. If they have good skills in every part of language, or in this case is English itself, then it would be great if they come from non-native countries. In other hand, it's not really important that the teacher come from native countries or not, as long as they have awesome abilities and great skills. It would be better if they come from our countries though. It means we have good human resources. That's all from me. Back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And then I would like to invite Mr. Patra. Mr. Patra, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So, in my opinion, native speaker teacher are native language speaker where the person from birth to adulthood has used his first language. An English native speaker is someone who was born in a country where the official language is English and speak English actively. Today, the demand for native speaker teacher is quite high. No wonder, considering that there are many advantages to learning with native speaker. When studying directly with native speaker, will definitely be forced to speak English, and this method is considered quite effective for those who want to learn speaking. In addition, native speakers have perfect pronunciation technique. This is an opportunity to be able to imitate the pronunciation technique too. In addition to learning about English language technique, native speaker teachers can also provide various insight about culture and education in their country. Thus, the material is not only limited to studying module, but also can add insight into the culture of other countries. Okay, that's all from me. Back to moderator.
All right, thank you. I really appreciate that. Well, what about you, Mrs. Ananda? Do you have any idea according to this?
Okay, thank you, Antika. In my view, it may or may not be. English cannot be taught solely by native speakers because English is such a unique language. It is a language that has replaced language all over the world and is still expanding. We can have the ideal nest and the ideal non-nest. One thing is for certain, both native teachers and non-native teachers can make great teachers. On the individual. Both of them should do their best to compensate for their disadvantages and enhance their advantages. And a teacher should be assessed on his or her skill and competence, not on the distinctions of native or non-native. A native teacher or non-native can have equal levels of skills depending on their experience, education, and pre-service training. So, both native and non-native English teachers ideally should have equal opportunity to become ideal English teachers in the context of EFL. Good command of English and teaching skills as well as good personal qualities will make an ideal English teacher. Okay, that's all from me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you. And last but not least, I would like to invite Mr. Hanif. What about your opinion about this topic?
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Muhammad Hanif Alrefka. I think, in my opinion, I think native English speaking teacher will have more confidence in their teaching when it comes to speaking class. They don't need to improve their pronunciation or try to remove their accent. However, but a native English speaking teacher and non-native English speaking teacher should improve their teaching skill for their speaking lesson. Regarding this point, I as a non-native English speaking teacher put my effort and time to improve my instruction in English, try to structure better the speaking contents and materials, and understand individual skill needs and their learning style. I am still learning English in every aspect. Native and non-native teacher, most of whom are exchange scholars from English-speaking countries, work collaboratively in their teaching. While native teachers learn many cultural issues about teaching foreign language to Indonesian students, their local college absorb meaningful language input from them. Teaching in this condition help both group of teachers develop their knowledge and teaching experience significantly. Ideal teachers could be divided into two sides: the ideal native English speaker teacher and the ideal non-native English speaking teacher. The ideal native English speaking teacher will be the one who could minimize the six advantage of non-native English speaking teacher aforementioned previously. It is especially important that the native English speaking teacher learns the student first language. On the other hand, the ideal non-native English speaking teachers is one who has achieved a near native proficiency of English. I think we all agree that the higher the non-native English speaking teacher proficiency level of English, the less self-conscious, hesitant, and insecure they will have in teaching. However, I disagree with the idea to bring an English environment into another country. A non-native English speaking teacher who has lived for a long period of time in an English speaking country may have assimilated to a certain extent the TL culture. He or she will be in a suitable position to transmit to his or her. That's all for me. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I really appreciate it. So guys, let me tell you a little bit about an English teacher come from native country. Wait. I will tell you about an English teacher come from native country from the result of research concept by Mantel William is So the answer has become clear. English cannot be taught solely by native speaker because English is such a unique language. It is a language that has replaced language all over the world and is still expanding. But I needed a little more proof that this was occurring than just what my teacher he said one day. So looking at this statistic, it is just further proof that English is not a language that is only the real deal when being spoken by native, because English is unique. So in conclusion, both native and non-native English teachers have their own advantages. When it comes to non-native English teacher, their knowledge of student native language would be very beneficial in drawing parallel between both language, thus offering a deeper and more correct understanding of language. Also, it is to be noted they have advantages with their original pronunciation and accent. All right, that's all for me. I am, as a moderator of this discussion, would like to apologize for all of the mistakes that I have made. Thanks for your attention and also participant. Good evening, see you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.